I welcome back everyone to Teacher Muhammad with me, Cik Mat. How are you today? Okay, today we are going to explore more on algebra. This time on expanding the terms. Okay, in this case, we see the question here: 3x minus 5 to x times 7. Meaning that 3x minus 5 times 2x minus 7. How to expand it? Okay. So we follow the very simple rule that we have done before, which is the four colors. You see the four colors? And I show you, we start with the red color. Sometimes I use pink color. Sometimes I use pink color. Today red color. Alright, first what we have to do is 2 times 3x to 3x. The red color always connect these two terms. Of course, the first term of each, the first of each term. Okay, here 3x times 2x is of course 6x squared. Okay, x squared here. Okay, and then followed by blue color. This one. Right. Okay, remember that red, first start with red color, followed by blue color. So 3x times negative 7 is negative. Positive times negative comes to negative 21x. Third one will be green color. This one. Okay, third one. Negative 5 times positive 2x will come to negative 10x. And lastly, the yellow color, the yellow arrow. Here, minus 5 times minus 7, minus times minus become positive. Minus becomes positive. Plus 5 times 7, 35. Okay. Alright, so an x squared minus 21x minus 10x plus 35. Now we have to simplify the like terms. Of course, the answer must be in only each term must be different. Each term must be different. So meaning that if there are two like terms here, from 2 we have to simplify to become 1. So negative 21 minus 10 is of course what? Yes, minus 31. Okay, so the answer is minus 31 down there. Okay, the pink color now, minus 31x. So take out all other terms. 6x squared put here, the red one, and plus the yellow one, 35. Okay, so these are the answer. This is the answer, of course. So this is the answer. 6x squared minus 30x plus 35. Okay, so keep practicing. Don't stop trying. Don't stop repeating it until you can get a hang of it, and then you will become an expert in the algebra. Okay, bye. Thank you. See you again.